Tired of seeing certain Instagram stories, but don't want to unfollow? Perfect! I'm going to show you how to mute someone's Instagram story, so you can control your feed and keep your connections. First, open the Instagram app, which is the app with the colorful camera icon. Once the app's open, go to your Instagram home feed. You'll see the stories at the top of your screen in a horizontal bar. Now, identify the story that you want to mute. This might be a friend, a brand, or anyone else you simply don't want to see stories from. Now, tap and hold on the profile picture of the story you want to mute. Don't tap, briefly long press. A menu will pop up from the bottom of your screen. From this menu, several options will appear. Look for and tap on the option that reads mute. After tapping the mute option, several choices will pop up. You'll see an option that states mute story. Tap on it. Once you've selected mute story, that user's story is now muted. You won't see their stories at the top of your feed unless you go directly to their profile. To unmute a story, go to the person's profile, tap on their profile picture on their profile page. Tap the following button in this menu of options. You will see mute again. Tap mute, and then simply toggle the stories option OFF to unmute their stories. That's it. Now you know how to mute and unmute Instagram stories to curate your feed. Subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.